Hey guys, welcome back to our last module of prompt engineering course where in this module we'll be discussing about some of the ethics and consideration of prompt engineering that you need to keep that in mind if you are engaging with the AI. So the first one of that is ensuring fairness and reducing bias. So today we'll learn how to create inclusive prompts and consider the impact of our language models on a diverse audience. First, let's just see how we can reduce bias in AI systems. So for that, first of all, should keep that in mind about the sources of bias in AI system and should be aware of different types of bias, which are gender bias, racial or ethnic bias, and socio-economic bias in geography as well. We should be mindful of these bias when we craft prompts and evaluate AI-generated outputs. So if we move further, here are some strategies that we can use to reduce bias in our prompts. We can use inclusive language in our prompts. And second of all, we can also try to use diverse and balanced examples in your prompts if you want AI to give you the best output possible for you. And at the end, you can also test your prompts with a variety of inputs until you achieve a bias-free results. So that basically means you should put as many variety of inputs as possible until and unless you reach a perfect output and the AI has given you the accurate and exact output that you want. And for the ethical considerations, here are some questions that you can ask to yourself after getting an output. So you can see, does the output reinforce any stereotypes or harmful biases? So that should be one of the main points that you can question yourself about the output that you get. So obviously, the AI isn't like error-free at all. It also has some errors in that. So these type of questions could be very useful for you. These can like help you double check the output that you have, and this can lead you to get a good, accurate, and a bias-free prompt output. And the other consideration that you can see is, could the content be harmful, divisive, or offensive? So these are also some of the important points that should be in your mind. So whether you are getting any offensive or harmful content from AI or not. So yeah, these kind of ethical consideration can really help you a lot by being mindful of these factors and continuously defining our prompts. We can, create AI applications that can empower and serve many of our diverse audiences. So yeah, these can be very helpful in that case. Alright, so yeah, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video of this module.